I noticed from the beginning that the way you work is different. You know, you didn't straight away go to the problem, but you went to the root cause of the problem, which is could be the switch, could be the wire. You know, so I thought you were very detailed in that sense. And the problem that you highlighted to me were very detailed problems, which we never see other electricians doing, right?
Thank you, sir.
But that one small detail can mean a life, like you said, huh?
Yeah.
And also I like the way that your business concept is why are you doing this? Because you said you are doing it because you want to care about people's lives, right? And there's been a lot of cases recently. And can you imagine? We always think, it won't happen to me, it won't happen to my house, it won't happen to my family. But when you showed me the wire already burned, I said, hey, it could happen to us, huh? So I think putting the price aside, the cost aside, I think life is priceless. So
thank you.
I'm happy that by chance I got to know your company. We called, we spoke, and you are here to do. And then when I observe what you are doing, I think we are in good hands.
Thank you, sir.
Right.